What up, y'all? It's your boy Bokeh Bob, and today we're back with another keyboard review. This time we're checking out the CIDOO ABM066, which was sent to me by Final Key Studio. This is a super budget-oriented Alice layout mechanical keyboard that is absolutely loaded with features. Knob? Check. Screen? Check. South-facing hot swap sockets? Check. RGB? Yep. Wireless? Yep, you know it. Included stabilizers and gasket mounted. At $60 shipped, you really can't beat this, especially if you want to try out the Alice style layout or just you're new to the custom mechanical keyboard community. This keyboard allows you to easily mod and learn the ins and outs of the hobby at a super low price point. This board comes in multiple colors to include off-white, translucent black, which is only sold at Final Key, and a normal opaque black. Lastly, it's only $60 shipped for the bare bones version, which is an insane value. Before we get into this board, it would be greatly appreciated if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, as it would help me out with future content. As always, with all my reviews, all my opinions are my own and from my experience using the keyboard. Now, let's check this thing out and hear how it sounds. Hit the B-roll, baby. I'm going to get right to the point with this one. This keyboard is 100% worth it simply because of the price point. Now, if you're a seasoned veteran of the keyboard hobby, I don't think it would be necessarily worth it unless you are strictly wanting to try the Alice layout for an extended period of time. If you are new in the community, 100% buy this board and you will not be disappointed. As stated before, it's loaded with basically any feature you can think of and allows for simple modding. It also has that deep, thocky sound profile that most newer people in the hobby are looking for. The only downside I would say is the stabilizers that come with the kit, and they're plate-mounted clip-in stabilizers, and to be honest, they're really not that good. But this keyboard does support screw-in style stabs, so it could easily be swapped to those. Realistically, you could probably outfit this board fully built under $100 if you bought some budget keycaps and switches. Let me know in the comments how you would build this board. You can find this keyboard linked in the description. This is a referral link, so all proceeds go directly back to improving my content and or getting more content for the channel. As always, have a good day and rest of your week. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bokeh Bob out.